Florida. We get a lot of bacteria in that water.
Oh, yeah. Remember when it snowed in the Panhandle? Was it last year? I think it was last year.
Yeah.
Or was it
this
earlier,
year.
earlier this year?
Yeah.
And, Floridians, we like put, people were putting paddle boards on the back of like ATVs and like doing a little, we do what we do.
That was a once in a lifetime thing.
You gotta enjoy it. We have a lot of rain headed our way for the next few days.
Not snow?
Not snow, no snow, but we do have a cold front headed our way, which could bring a really nice weekend. So I know some areas are really desperately still looking for rain. There are going to be some downpours. Not everyone will get a downpour every day. Tomorrow we'll get some downpours, and then again by the end of the week. Wednesday's kind of a in between day. It's not going to be the wettest of them all. Here's how much rain we had. Most areas, especially north of the Caloosahatchee, didn't see much today, and inland did not see much. All the rain really totaled along the coastal Collier County, where we're having some king high tide issues as well. That will be back tomorrow. I'll show you some of those high tide times for tomorrow afternoon, because the next high tide's in a few hours. Most people are already in bed, but I'll show you those for tomorrow afternoon. But about 2 inches today, closer to Everglades City. How much rain can we see going forward through the rest of the work week? That's when our rain chances will be here. An additional inch up to 1.5 inches, and some localized spot might get a little bit more than that, favoring farther to the south and farther inland for the next few days. This is tomorrow's futurecast. It's going to look a lot like it did today. Showers and storms are streaming in from the other side of the state, and we'll have isolated showers to start about midday. That's what we had today, and then getting more of some of those downpours by mid-afternoon, becoming more scattered. This is 2 o'clock, so some areas will have a big downpour. Some areas can be pretty dry. That's just how it's going to set up for tomorrow. Marco Island getting some downpours for tomorrow, and then the scattered downpours continue and start inland and move closer to the coastlines once again. Between 5 and 6, we're looking at those downpours from Immokalee over to Bonita, and then drying out pretty early on in the evening for Tuesday night into Wednesday. So we have a lot of tropical moisture right now. That's that red color. But as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, Tuesday areas farther to the north, Tuesday night that is, into Wednesday, we get some dry air kind of inching its way in. So rain chances are not off the table on Wednesday. They're lower, especially for areas off to north. Then we get a surge of tropical moisture for Thursday and Friday. Rain chances are going to go back up. The reason why we have that surge on Thursday and Friday with rain is because we'll get a bunch of moisture moving in ahead of a cold front. Now, sometimes when we really forecast our first real cold front of the season, it's sometimes doesn't come to fruition, or sometimes moderates and isn't exactly as cool as what we maybe hope. This is not going to be a cold blast of air, but it is going to be refreshing if it pans out how it looks today. It's Monday. We're talking about Sunday here, so we'll kind of see how this goes along throughout the rest of the week. But we're looking at this dry air moving in behind the cold front Saturday and then sticking around for a few days. Low humidity, dry air throughout the entire atmosphere. We're looking at quite a little bit of a change, our version of fall weather by Sunday and into Monday. Here's the cold front. It has a while to come on through, so we'll be tracking it. But a little sneak peek of what we could have Sunday morning. We have not seen the temperature drop into the upper 60s yet this season. Some areas could be well below that, 66 possible for Arcadia first thing Sunday morning. So keep an eye on it. I'm trying to not get my hopes up too much, but it could be something to really look forward to over the weekend. Regardless, it looks dry. Whether it's that cool or not, yet to be determined. As far as high tides for tomorrow afternoon, Marco Island about 148. Latest here is Fort Myers Beach at 506 and Charlotte Harbor about 430 or so. Temperatures tonight will stay into the mid-70s. By tomorrow afternoon, we're at 89. Again, a very similar day to today. A little bit lower rain chances on Wednesday. Rain back up for Thursday and Friday. Weekend, regardless if it gets to the upper 60s or not, it will be drier, more comfortable, and a lot more sunshine for Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday. That's your Gulf Coast weather.